And the last one. Up and down. Okay, finish. Veas, grande, no me has dicho nada. Los brazos, which is leg. The first one is warm up, the second one is the good one. Contraction, then start, up, down, 3 times. And the last one. Finish. This is the warm up. Now we will do the